In this question, we have to find correct method of short synthesis of methyl tertiary butyl ether. So, for preparation of methyl tertiary butyl ether, we have two choice. We can select tertiary alkyl halide. Once we can select tertiary alkyl halide and methoxide ion. Now if tertiary alkyl halide and methoxide ion are taken, now due to steric crowding, E2 reaction takes place and alkene is formed as a product. While in second case, if we use tertiary butoxide ion and CH3Br is taken, now reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Now in this case, methyl tertiary butyl ether is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is B. Alkyl halide should be primary, so SN2 reaction takes place with maximum yield. The reaction of CH3OC2H5 with HI. Now if ether is taken and reacted with HI, now HI act as very strong acid, HI act as S proton donor. Now oxygen donate pair of electron, so it gets protonated and converted to oxonium ion salt. Now since carbocation cannot be formed from either of alkyl radical, so reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Now I negative act as nucleophile, and nucleophile will attack from that side which is less crowded, so it will attack from less crowded side. So methyl iodide along with ethyl alcohol is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is C. In this question we have to find product obtained when anisole is treated with HI. So anisole is molecule having benzene ring and OCH3 group. Now in strongly acidic medium, HI is strongest known acid, so oxygen gets protonated and oxonium ion salt is formed. So OCH3 H positive oxonium ion salt is formed. Now since carbocation cannot be formed from either of the side, so reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Now I negative will attack from less crowded side, so as nucleophile attack, carbon oxygen electrons are shifted towards oxygen. So finally phenol and methyl iodide are formed as a product, and hence correct answer is B, phenol and methyl iodide. The order of reactivity of halogen acid with ether. Now ether on reacting with HX acid first gets protonated due to formation of oxonium ion. In second step, X negative attack to form ROH plus RX. Now rate of reaction depend on rate of protonation. So rate of reaction depend on amount of H positive. Amount of H positive depend on strength of acid. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to strength of acid. So HI is most acidic, then HBr and then HCl, and hence correct answer is B, HI, then HBr, then HCl. In this reaction we have to find major product of the given reaction. Now molecule is having both OH and leaving group Cl on same molecule. Now if there is nucleophile and leaving group in same molecule, then there is possibility of intramolecular reaction. First of all, OH negative will abstract hydrogen proton from OH to form alkoxide ion. Now this alkoxide ion will act as nucleophile, Cl negative is removed, and due to intramolecular reaction, cyclic ether or epoxide is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is D. Which method is not useful for the synthesis of ether? So when alkyl halide react with alkoxide, ether is formed as a product. Now reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Now nitrophenol is taken in acidic medium. It will converted to phenoxide ion. So PHCH2Br will react with phenoxide ion PHNO2. Now this will act as a nucleophile. Br negative is removed. So PHCH2O PHNO2 is formed as a product. Now in second case, C2H5O negative act as a nucleophile. It will attack on this carbon, and C2H5O CH3 will be formed as a product. In third case, again CH3O negative act as a nucleophile, and OSO2 will be removed. So CH3O C2H5 will be formed as a product. When alkoxide is taken with tertiary alkyl halide, in presence of tertiary alkyl halide, now SN2 reaction will not take place. Instead of SN2 reaction, in this case E2 reaction will take place, and due to elimination, alkene is formed as a product. So except D, in all other cases product formed are ether, while in case of 4, alkene is formed as a major product, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find when sodium ethoxide react with bromoethane, what is final product? So CH3CH2Br bromoethane on reacting with C2H5O negative sodium ethoxide. Now alkyl halide is primary. In case of primary alkyl halide, reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism, and this reaction is called Williamson synthesis, and due to Williamson synthesis, diethyl ether is formed as a product, and hence correct answer is C. Product form is diethyl ether. In this reaction we have to find which of the following reactant will form diiodide on reacting with HI. So if we take first example, now this molecule on reacting with HI first gets protonated to form oxonium ion. Now this oxonium ion is unstable, and I negative will act as nucleophile via SN2 mechanism. So it will convert it into OH CH2 I. Now this molecule on further reacting with HI will form diiodo product. So this is formed. Now in second case, if this molecule is reacted with HI, first it will get protonated to form oxonium ion. Now I negative will act as nucleophile at less crowded side. So I negative will attack at this side. So one of the OH will attach to ring, and CH2, CH2, CH2 I will form. Now this molecule will further not react with HI. So in case 2 monoiodide is formed, while in case 1 diiodide is formed. So correct answer is C. Diiodide will only formed in case 1. Even HI is taken in excess, second will not form diiodide because phenol will not react with HI. In this reaction we have to find when tertiary butyl methyl ether is treated with HI, which product is formed? So tertiary butyl methyl ether on reacting with HI, first oxygen gets protonated and oxonium ion salt is formed. So oxonium ion salt is formed. Now if out of two alkyl radical, any radical form 3 degree allylic or benzylic radical, then reaction takes place via SN1 mechanism. So here SN1 reaction takes place, tertiary carbocation is formed, and now this tertiary carbocation will combine with iodine to form tertiary butyl iodide along with CH3. OH will be formed as a product, and hence correct answer is tertiary butyl iodide and methyl alcohol, and hence correct option is A. In this reaction we have to find which product is not formed when HI is reacted with benzyl phenyl ether. So in this reaction, first of all, PH O CH2 C6H5, in presence of strong acid HI, oxygen gets protonated and it converted into PHOH CH2 and C6H5. Now if out of these two radical, if any form benzyl radical, allyl radical or 3 degree alkyl radical, then reaction takes place via SN1 mechanism. In this case benzyl radical can form, so reaction takes place via SN1 mechanism. So after SN1 mechanism, electrons shift towards oxygen and benzyl carbocation is formed. So PHOH plus benzyl carbocation is formed, in which benzyl ion will again combine with I negative and converted to C6H5CH2I. So phenol will be formed during the reaction. Benzyl iodide is the final product of the reaction. Benzyl carbocation is formed during the reaction, but iodobenzene will not form during the reaction, and hence correct answer is C. Which of the following is not expected to give ether on reaction with sodium methoxide? Now this reaction follow Williamson synthesis, in which alkyl halide react with sodium alkoxide. Now reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism and ether will be formed as a react product. Now if halogen is attached with sp2 carbon, then Williamson synthesis reaction is not possible. If we consider first example, now Cl is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon, so there is possibility of Williamson synthesis. In second case, again Cl is attached with sp2 carbon, so in case of B, Williamson synthesis possible. In option C, again Cl is attached with sp2 hybridized carbon, so again ether will form as a product. While in case of D, CH2 double bond CHCl, now this Cl, lone pair of Cl are present in resonance with multiple bond, due to which partial double bond character exists between carbon and chlorine, and hence SN1 and SN2 both type of reactions are not possible in vinyl chloride. So vinyl chloride will not undergo Williamson synthesis, and hence correct answer is C. In this reaction we have to find main organic product of the reaction. So in this case cyclic ether is taken as reactant. Now this ether on reacting with HI gets protonated first to form oxonium ion. Now I negative will act as nucleophile and reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. So I negative will prefer to attack on that carbon which is less crowded. So this I negative will attack on this carbon. Simultaneously, carbon oxygen electrons are shifted towards oxygen, due to which alcohol is formed as a product. Along with alcohol, this molecule is also having iodine group, and hence correct answer is C. Consider the following sequence of reaction and find end product of the reaction. So now first alcohol is taken. Now this alcohol molecule in presence of KH. Now KH act as very strong base, H negative act as very strong base and remove H positive ion from alcohol to form alkoxide ion. Now this alkoxide ion will react with PHCH2Br via SN2 mechanism. So Br is removed and it is converted to ether. Now the ether form will reacted with B2H6 THF and H2O2 OH negative. Now this is HBO reaction, and during HBO reaction product form is opposite to Markovnikov rule. Alcohol is formed as a final product but with anti-Markovnikov regioselectivity. So final product is alcohol given in option B, and hence correct option is B. In this reaction we have to find final product of the reaction. Now propene is taken, and propene on reacting with mercuric acetate first converted to cyclic intermediate CH, CH2, Hg, OAC positive. Now in second step here CH3OH is given which act as nucleophile. So CH3OH will attack from back side. So addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule. CH3CH, OCH3, CH2, Hg, OAC. In last step NaBH4 is given, and in presence of NaBH4 a reduction takes place, and after reduction CH3CH, OCH3, CH3 ether is formed as a product. So correct answer is 2-methoxy propane, and hence correct answer is 1, 2, 3 option B, 2-methoxy propane. Ether is contact with air for a long time, form peroxide. The presence of peroxide in ether can be tested by adding Fe2 positive ion in it and then by adding. So if ether, for example ethyl ether, is taken and it is keep in contact with air for long time, then due to presence of air it will convert it to explosive peroxide. Now it is explosive peroxide. Now presence of peroxide can be tested by using Fe2 plus ion and KCNS. Now Fe2 plus ion in presence of peroxide gets converted to Fe3 plus ion. Now this Fe3 plus ion react with CNS negative to form FeCNS whole thrice, which is blood red in color. So presence of peroxide formation can be tested by using Fe2 positive ion along with KCNS, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find final product of the given reaction. Now, first oxygen gets protonated in presence of strongly acidic medium. So oxonium ion is formed as an intermediate, CH3, O, CH3. Now oxonium ion is unstable. If out of these two radicals, any radical form stable carbocation, then SN1 reaction takes place. In all other cases, reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Since in this case, neither of the radical can form more stable carbocation, so reaction takes place via SN2 mechanism. Now I negative nucleophile will attack to that side which is less crowded, so I negative will attack to CH3 group. Simultaneously carbon oxygen bond is broken and CH3 PH, OH, phenol and CH3I is formed as a product. So option A is correct, option B and C are not correct, and hence correct answer is